Good afternoon, students. In yesterday's lecture, we have discussed down FIR filter realization. In that, there are different types of realization: direct form 1, direct form 2. Sorry, we have discussed on IR filter realization. In that, we have discussed the types of realization: direct form 1, direct form 2, and cascade form structure realization. And today, we are going to discuss on FIR filter realization. So hope you all know the difference in FIR filter and IR filter now. So what is the main difference? Difference in FIR and IR filter? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone respond?
Feedback is not required FIR and IR feedback is required.
In FIR system, we don't have a feedback, whereas in IR system, we have a feedback. Okay. What else again?
FIR recursive.
FIR filters are named as recursive filters.
And
whereas
IR non-recursive.
FIR recursive है, IR recursive है. What is the name? Whether FIR is recursive filter. What is the other name for this FIR filter?
Sorry, sir. FIR non-recursive and IR recursive.
Yes, FIR is non-recursive filter and IR is recursive filter. Okay. Then again, as already we have discussed on IR filter realization part. So today we are going to discuss on this FIR filter, FIR system realization. So this equation is a different equation already we have seen in a generalized case, but where I wanted to concentrate is main on this part. See, a FIR system does not have feedback. So that means what happens here? As there is no feedback means which part is not present? So ये part present नहीं रहेगा वहाँ पे, right? So only
Sir, screen is not
okay,
visible.
screen is not visible. Okay, wait. Sorry. Now it's visual. This is what I am just talking. So realization of FIR system we are understanding today. And here this FIR system, as we know that it doesn't require any feedback. This difference equation already we have discussed. And this transfer function also we have derived an equation. Hope my screen is visible now. So this is for IR system.
Yes,
right?
sir.
This is for IR system. Now, if I want to use the same transfer function for FIR system, means only this part is going to be absent. So that means only h of z equals to, we have h of z equals to summation k equals to 0 to m bk z power minus k. Okay, so this is what is a transfer function for an FIR system. As FIR system don't have any feedback, don't have any feedback, don't have a feedback. Okay, so let us move further. So this is what it is written here. So an FIR system does not have feedback, hence y of n minus k term is absent in the system. FIR output is expressed as y of n equals to k equals to 0 to m bk x of n minus k. So हमें पता है if this m is a coefficient, like as we have seen already, 8 point अगर आपको कैलकुलेट करना है तो सैंपल्स कहाँ से कहाँ तक आएंगे आपके?
0 to 7.
0 to 7. So like this, as we are considering this m is a coefficient, then we are writing the summation as k equals to 0 to m minus 1 means 0 to 7 आ गया आपका bk x of n minus k. Okay, now if I take a z transform on this part, so I'm getting y of n z transform is y of z equals to k equals to 0 to m bk z power minus k x of z. Then again, we know that the system function or the transfer function is defined as h of z equals to y of z divided by x of z, which equals to k equals to 0 to m minus 1 bk z power minus k. Now, if I apply inverse Z transform on this, so I will write h of n equals to bn. Here n stands for the discrete time function, which is present for only 0 to m minus 1. So this is about the impulse function, like h of n will be equals to only bn for the limit 0 less than or equals to n less than or equals to m minus 1. So that is how we are just defining, or we are just calculating the impulse function from this transfer function. Okay, so let us understand its realization part. So there are again the different types we are having, like diet form structure of FIR system. So in this diet form structure, what is the definition is, if the structure in which the multiplier coefficients are precisely the coefficients of the transfer function. The multiplier coefficients are precisely the coefficients of the transfer function. That means if they are coefficients of transfer function like h of n, then so it is called as a diet form structure. So since h of n equals to bn, so then we are writing yn equals to summation k equals to 0 to m minus 1 h of k x of n minus k. We know the formula of convolution, right? So that is yn equals to summation k equals to 0 to m minus 1 h of k x of n minus k. So this is the equation which we are using to implement the diet form structure. Then if I expand this, what I will get, y of n equals to h of 0 x of n plus h of 1 x of n minus 1 plus h of 2 x of n minus 2 up to h of m minus 1 x of n minus m plus 1. Then again, so this is what the diagram we are calling, right? Here x of n is there. Please note down this diagram so that we will solve the examples on this. So if I x of n pass through this z inverse, so what I will get here, this is x of n minus 1 is going to be added with this part. Then again, if x of n minus 1 is passed to this, so this diagram is for this, means so here h of 0 into x of, sorry, h of 0 into ये complete part इसके लिए आएगा, right? So for this purpose, then again, so the second one h of 1 into x of n minus 1, so this part will be representing the value h of 1 into x of n minus 1. Likewise, we are just writing a diagram here. Okay, so please note down this diagram so that we can understand. समझ में आया diagram? Is there any difficulty in this? If anyone has any problem, please ask me. Hope you are understanding this diagram. We will solve one or two examples. You can understand very easily there. Are you noting this? लिख ले रहे क्या?
Yes, sir.
Finished? Just note down, please. Let's see. Or shall I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us move further. Let us take one example. So you just note down this example. Realize the diet form FIR filter for the following impulse response. Realize a diet form FIR filter for the following impulse response. So let us solve this. Please note down this question. Realize a diode form FIR filter for the following impulse response. Noted. This is the question. Now let us write a solution for this. Have you noted the question? It is h of
Yes,
n equals to delta of n plus 1 by 2 delta of n minus 1 minus 1 by 2 delta of n minus 2 plus delta of n minus 4 plus h 1 by 2 delta of n minus 3. तो अभी हमें this we want to convert in the form of x of z, that is x into h. So then by applying a z transform to this, what we will get? Z transform of h of n, I am writing it as h of z, which is equals to z transform of delta of n. क्या होगा? Anybody? Z transform of delta of n. Anyone has remembered? Z transform of delta of n or Z transform of impulse function. 1 है इसका वैल्यू, पता है? Yes or no? Z transform of delta of n. Huh? Z transform of delta of n minus 1 is what? It is like a property we have seen already, right? So that means here delta of n is 1 plus this 1 by 2 is remaining as it is, and this is Z inverse minus 1 by 4. What is the value of this? Z power क्या आएगा अभी? Delta of n minus 2 है तो it is minus 2 plus delta of n minus 4 is there. It is Z power minus 4 plus 1 by 2 delta of n minus 3 is there, Z power minus 3. Correct? I got this point. Now this y of h of z can be written as h of z is equals to, we have it is, what is the definition of this h of z? Y of z divided by x of z. It is output by input, which is equals to, I am going to write it is 1 plus 1 by 2 z inverse minus 1 by 4 z power minus 2 plus, let me take the z power minus 3 this side, z power minus 3 plus z power minus 4. Okay, or this can be done as y of z is equals to, क्या लिख सकते हैं अभी? If I take this z on this side, x of z into, we'll write it as 1 plus 1 by 2 z inverse minus 1 by 4 z power minus 2 plus 1 by 2 z power minus 3, then plus z power minus 4. Correct? Understood this? Yes or no? Y of z is equals to, what we will write now? If I take this h of z inside the bracket, so I will write it as x of z plus 1 by 2 z inverse minus 1 by 4 z power minus 2 x of z z power minus 2 x of z plus 1 by 2 z power minus 3 x of z plus z power minus 4 x of z. Let us call it as equation 1. Have you understood up to this part?
Yes, sir. तिथं 1/2 z inverse x of z लिहायचं राहिलं.
1 by 2 z inverse. This is x of z. Okay. This is x of z. Okay. This is minus. Now again, so if I apply inverse Z transform to this, if I apply inverse Z transform to this, what we will get? कोई बताइए मुझे? If I apply inverse Z transform to this, so what we will get? Yes. Who will tell me that? अगर अभी इसको हम इनवर्स जेड ट्रांसफॉर्म अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, सो देन आई विल राइट इट एज y ऑफ z के लिए क्या आएगा? y ऑफ n is equals to x of n plus 1 by 2 x of n minus 1 minus 1 by 4 x of n minus
n
2
minus 2
plus 1 by 2 x of n minus 3 plus x of n minus 4. Right? So this is equation 1's inverse Z transform. Let us call it as equation 2. Understood? Now, let us draw the direct form implementation of this system, FIR system. Direct form implementation of FIR system. Okay. So now, let me draw the diagram. तो अभी हमें ये इक्वेशन लिखना है यहाँ पे. We know that this is our x of n. ये अपना x of n है, right? So first we want x of n. तो मल्टीप्लायर क्या रहेगा यहाँ पे? What will be the multiplier? Its coefficient is 1. कुछ नहीं है तो 1 रहता, right? Then, as I want the second function, what I want? If I want the second function as, हमें दूसरा फंक्शन क्या चाहिए? This is z inverse. I want x of n minus 1. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा अभी? What will be the output at this point? This is x of n minus 1 आउटपुट आएगा. तो इसका मल्टीप्लायर क्या होगा? Yes.
1/2.
It's 1 by 2. Okay. And further part, again z inverse here. तो इसके बाद क्या मल्टीप्लायर आएगा इसका? Minus 1 by 4. Okay. And then next again, if I pass this with the one more part, that is the delay element, and then again it is adder, so its multiplier is how much? 1 by 2. And lastly, here is the adder, sorry, here is the delay element, z inverse. यहाँ पे इसका adder, its multiplier is 1. So this is our output y of n. So this is what we are calling it as direct form FIR system implementation. Direct form FIR system implementation. Understood? Any doubt here or any question? Anybody has any question here? Right from FIR system. Yes? Anybody has a question here?
No, sir.
Okay. So let us proceed further. Let us take a few more examples. Let me start with this PPT. तो यहीं पे यही लिखा है यहाँ पे. So this is what the example they have done. So this is what it is written. ठीक है. So h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3 are the multipliers. So they are written there. तो वहां पे अगर आपको क्लियर समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड विद दिस डायग्राम वेरी क्लियरली. Any question in this part? Shall I proceed for the next question? Okay, this is our second question. Realize the system function h of z equals to 1 plus 3 by 2 z inverse plus 4 by 5 z power minus 2 plus 5 by 9 z power minus 3 plus 1 by 9 z power minus 4 using direct form. Can you solve this now? इसको solve कर सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
You please try on this. Let's give some time. Okay, after solving this, you should get this equation. Same equation you are getting?
Yes, sir. Same equation.
Okay. And what about the implementation part? So this is the implementation part. Correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay. So any question here? Anybody has any question? So please ask the questions if you are not in a position to understand. So simply sitting idle is of no use. There should be a two-way communication. Hardly like one or two students will respond and others are simply sitting idle. Okay. So this is what one more equation question we are having. FIR filter is given by y of n equals to x of n plus. Just note down this question and write afterwards. This is for your practice purpose. I am just giving you. FIR filter is given by y of n equals to x of n plus 2 by 5 x of n minus 1 plus 3 by 4 x of n minus 2 plus 1 by 3 x of n minus 3. Draw the direct form. You may get a direct equation also in this way. So in that case, directly we need to draw the diagram. Now, this is one more different way of asking the question. Determine a direct form realization for the following linear phase filters. Here, FIR is also called as a linear phase filter again. You have to remember that, don't get confusion. H of n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So how it is going to be solved? कोई बताएंगे कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? Yes.
First Z ट्रांसफॉर्म निकलना होगा उसका.
उसका Z ट्रांसफॉर्म निकालना है. ओके. सो क्या इक्वेशन है वहां पे? H of n क्या है? कोई बताएंगे मुझे अभी? Have you noted the H of n value? नहीं लिख लिया? Okay. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. it is 1 2 3 4 3 2 1, right? So this is the question we are having. So for this we need to find a direct form implementation. Direct form implementation we need to find. तो इसका Z ट्रांसफॉर्म क्या आएगा अभी? Solution H of Z is equals to what we will get? This is the impulse at what location? This is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 तक आ रहा है अभी, ठीक है. So what we will get? This is 1 plus Z 1 into Z to the power 0 आएगा यहाँ पे, plus 1 into Z to the power minus 1 plus sorry it's not 1. एम्पलीट्यूड कितना है यहाँ पे? 2 है. 2 into Z power minus 2 plus 3 into Z power, अरे यार, this is 1. 3 into Z power minus 2 plus 4 into Z power minus 3 plus 3 into Z power minus 4 plus 2 into Z power minus 5 plus 1 into Z power minus 6. So this is Z transform of above equation. क्या किया मैंने यहाँ पे? फॉर्मूला वगैरह यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं. इवन विद द फॉर्मूला यू कैन कैलकुलेट, you will get the same thing, right? So it is 1 into Z power 0 plus 2 into Z power minus 1 plus 3 into Z power minus 2, or simply this will be equals to what we will write finally. It is क्या लिख सकते हैं अभी इसका? is 1 plus 2 into Z power minus 1 plus 3 into Z power minus 2 plus 4 into Z power minus 3 plus 3 into Z power minus 4 plus 2 into Z power minus 5 plus Z power minus 6. अभी आप इसका डायरेक्ट फॉर्म ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you draw it? Let's see. In that time, let me take the attendance.